What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So, congratulations! May Atomic Card ka na.
Sana all.
So, di lahat ng nag-a-apply for an Atomic Card na-approve tulad niyan. So, kasi halos lahat ng referrals ko na-decline. So, since may Atomic account ka na, I'll show you naman kung paano mag-apply ng Atomic Cash tulad nito. So, wag na nating patagalin. Let's go! So, yun. Ganito ang itsura ng homepage kapag hindi pa activated ang Atomic Cash natin. So, nakalagay dyan, 100% online application with instant response daw. So, instant response, no? Hindi nakalagay dyan na instant approval. So, low interest rate starting from 1% per month, flexible repayment options, up to 12 months. So, kung wala ka pang Atomic Card or di ka pa approved, ito ang lalabas sa screen. So, now para naman sa mga approved na and may existing Atomic Card na, so here's the procedures kung paano natin ma-activate ito. So, once na-open mo na yung app, mapapansin mong may nakalagay na dyan na available limit na pwede mong i-withdraw. So, in my case, meron na kaming 15,000 available loan limit. So, click mo yan. Now, nandito na rin yung instructions at frequently asked questions. Kung may tanong ka sa isip mo, basahin mo na lang yun. So, let's go back. So, pagka-click mo ng request loan, you'll be prompted with facial verification. Then, once na-identify na ng app na ikaw ang owner ng account, pwede mo nang ilagay yung amount na gusto mong i-loan. So, sabi dyan, you can enter an amount between the minimum of 500 pesos up to 15,000 pesos. Yun yung approved credit limit mo or loan limit. So, dito nakalagay, dito nilagay ko is 15,000 pesos. By the way, nirecord ko nga pala to noong August 8 pa. So, yan. Busy kasi tayo sa business, sa work, at sa batang yan. So, yun, going back. Ayan, so for 15,000 pesos, di natin yan matatanggap ng buo kasi may admin fee na 1%. Nakalagay naman na dyan, kaya huwag ka na mag-compute. So, that's 150 pesos. So, mamimili ka dito ng repayment plan. Sa case namin is hindi pa available ang 12 months tulad ng sinabi nila kanina. Ang nandito is 6 months or 6 payments or 3 payments or 3 months. For 15,000 pesos na loan, 3,325 pesos monthly for 6 months. So that means the approximate monthly interest rate is 5% or 5.5%. At ang total interest paid over 6 months period is 33% of the original loan amount. So for 3 months repayment plan naman, that's 5,900 pesos per month. So the monthly interest rate is approximately 6%. And the total interest rate for 3-month period is 18%. So, mas mababa ng almost half, siyempre, kumpara dun sa 6 months na nakita natin kanina. So, yun, nakita na natin ang interest rates. Mag-proceed na tayo. So, nakalagay na dyan kung saan natin marireceive yung loan proceeds, yung loan receiving account section. I actually choose GCash para dito. Kung wala pang nakalagay sa inyo, isa-set up nyo na lang yun dyan. So, sa loan purpose, choose others na lang. Bahala kayo kung anong gusto mong nilagay dyan. So, click agree sa loan agreement. Basahin nyo kung trip nyo. Pero ako, as usual, hindi ko na binabasa. So, then click request loan. So, pagka-click nyo yan, ipaprocess na ng app ang inyong loan. So dito 9:39 PM nang ma-process yan. So 6:40 PM nang nag-update to disbursing yung app. So that's only 1 minute. So nakalagay dyan, it might take around 2 hours. Kung mas matagal pa dyan, just contact kaagad na lang yung customer service nila. Tapos, ayan, na-receive na agad namin yung amount or yung loan na kinuha namin dito sa app within a minute or 1 minute. So, pero dito sa app, 6:41 PM na nag-update yung app na disbursement successful na. Meaning, mas mauna mong ma-receive yung pera bago mag-update yung app. So, yun, kung may questions pa kayo, just feel free to comment down below. At kung may napulot ka naman sa video na to, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Yun, that's it. Peace.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.